Thank you for checking out Sunplay. Sunplay is a light and shadow overlay loops to create the perfect mood for your product shots, live to your online store, create unique mockups, or other images that need seamless looping life. I've been inspired by Zara Home and how they present some of their products. In this package you can choose between 8 different moving plants and 15 different window shapes. To make this easy to use, I created an After Effects tool you can use to set up your videos. First, you need to turn on Essential Graphics. Here you can see a lot of different sliders and functions. At the corner of the image you can see a preview image of the plant and window. So if I change this to another plant, you can see that the image down there is changing. You can also change the opacity. If you like to, you can have only highlights on or maybe only shadow on. You can also change the color of the light, but be aware that could be looking strange. And also, this preview image down in the corner will not render since it's a guided layer. But if you don't want to see it, you can turn that off. If we zoom out, you can see that I've added some null objects. You can drag these and change the position of the window. Let me show you how you can use Sunplay. I can add a new image, scale that down, and if you look at this image, the shadows are at the lower right, so we need the sunlight to come from the opposite angle. So let's change that. If I change the direction of the corner pins and also turn off only highlights, and as you can see, this the graphics are really forgiving. So no matter how much you scale this up and down, the image would look great no matter what. Let's change the window shape and also the plant. And of course remove the mask. Let's cache this. Of course you can do whatever you like with the setup. If I turn off the lock here on the plant, go into the plant, you can add more plants and other and mix the different elements. Of course you can also mix in different windows. Just set it to multiply and go back to the scene. For the Photoshop file, the setup is much simpler, but the principles are the same. And also you can by hitting Command T or Control T, you can change how the image are added to the scene. And inside the smart object, you can see that you have a window and a plant. You just drag and drop to change the different objects. And when you are done, just render the file. Good luck and hope you find this tool useful. You can buy Sunplay with 8 different plants and 15 windows with the After Effects tool and Photoshop file over at Creative Market. Or you can download the free version, test with 2 plants and 2 windows, including the Photoshop file, at my site. Both links below. Thank you for taking a look at Sunplay.